too fast. He was driving, maybe I don't know, but it was too fast to overrule in such.
Yes, it's
First gear is green, start moving.
I'm sorry.
Yes. And then we look around, passing second, but slowly. Yes, second, and looking around if everything is safe about this one. So now it's okay. So at the end of the street to the left, but there's only one way because they reconstruct this hill.
Okay, we want to go left.
Left, yes.
Here, where should I go?
Where can we go? There we can go. It is
Ah.
prohibited against the traffic.
Okay.
And here we have more wide road. This lane can be, or that lane can be.
Okay.
So nice. It's our priority because we put the sign here already. And we can drive. And now we drive straight. It's one-way traffic, so we can
Should I go that
go. Yes,
Okay,
like this.
sorry. And it is one way?
It's one way. It's one way. So
It's a tricky
it's our
street.
priority. They have triangles. So let's go to the end of the. I will send the video of the. Maybe I send you.
I already watched some of video, but it's good.
So it's one way. The thing is, if you want to turn left, you must be on the left. But now we have free road, so maybe after this car, after the line also.
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Okay. So this road is one way, and that road is one way until the roundabout. You see this one way.
Yes.
So if they ask you to turn left, you need always that lane. But we drive further.
Okay.
So after 300 meters, let's turn to the left. So we need which lane? Left lane, yes. Okay. Not this one, but the next, after the yellow house. Switch off this signal. After turning, it returns and switches itself. Yes, after this yellow house, very narrow street, but that street is already two-way, so without cutting edge, we must be on the right side.
Okay.
First gear, of course, and no pedal. First gear because it's very narrow. Yeah, let's go. It's we don't stop. This is our priority.
This is our priority.
Yeah, keep on moving, keep on moving. You can get used to these. Check these triangles on the both sides of the street. So, so this
This is two lines.
two lines. They check if you feel the size of the car and if you can pass safely. And they have triangle here also. And what I was telling about the sign, overtaking indication and returning indication. They like indication very much. So now
here,
after 50 meters we go straight. So this intersection, warning sign, uncontrolled intersection without no sign. So the right side has priority, but we must look everywhere. So slowly, approaching straight, two ways. So hold on.
This one go.
Nothing there. They must give us way, and here we drive, and it's two ways. It's two way. Second gear is two way. This one is two way, and that one is one way. You see? So we turn to the left intersection, but there is two ways. Somebody can enter here. And at first gear, bicycles. Be afraid of the bicycles. Slow approaching. Bicycle path. You see Mercedes is coming, and now we approach slowly. Nothing. Okay, nice. It's also one way, you see. And this is for public transport, so we do not need this lane.
Okay,
See? This marking also tells that it's a public transport, and the sign tells that it's public transport. And now let's turn left one more time here. Maybe first. Yeah, it's our priority. They have triangle there, just on the right side. Okay. same like motorcycle, we turn left here. So it's two-way, but now we are overtaking. If somebody approaches, we step aside a little bit. Now, when you overtake it, there are no intersection. You just not to be very close to. And you see the sign, warning sign. So the same intersection there after 50 meters. Some controlled intersection. So the right side has priority. So very slowly. First gear. We drive straight. Slowly. Because that car passed without looking. It was so with such speed they see our front of the car, they slow down, but we give them way, and he gives us way because he's on the left. Okay. And it's two-way. So if somebody wait a little bit, he goes into his home. So yes, he will improve somewhere. Okay. So in this small street, there was somewhere I haven't watched, but 30. It's 30, zone 30.
Okay.
To the right. And like that car, we turn that intersection to the left. It's one way, but still the cars are there. So at the very end, you will change the lane because we don't make intermediate on this line. Now start indicating, and after this BMW, start to close a little bit, and then because the finish of one lane. First gear, we approach, and there you can choose any lane you like. So.
Oh, it's one way.
It's one way, yes, it's one way. Yeah, okay, nice. And now let's stay in this lane. Let's drive the third exit in this roundabout.
Okay.
So the third exit, the sign below tells that you need this left lane, yes. Because right goes only first and second exit. You understand it?
Yes.
And there, after this yellow house, there is the third exit. So we enter on the left, but then in the roundabout you asked, and we'll try to do we shift to the right lane after some time, after that first exit. A little bit closer, then you have better visibility. Still we have 1 meter, so because young drivers do not look here for large distance, because this motorcycle sometimes comes 100 kilometers per hour, so it's dangerous. We must approach to see far enough not to block the road. And always check a little bit in front, maybe something happening. That means before driving you check that maybe somebody stops there, so you must know that the road will be free, not to get into dangerous situation. It's a little bit gas. Nice. So first, second, still we drive round, and then we change to the right. Indication, change to the right. Yes, we can. They must give us way, but that's our priority. Stay in this lane. Yes. It's a regular circle. Indication, and we exit. You see. If you cannot change, then you go there.
Okay.
So sometimes they ask this indication, overtaking.